nikaona mfinyanzi akija.
He took the vessel back.
Akatengeneza udongo.
He took the vessel back.
Akachukua udongo.
I want to point this point out.
Tena sasa nikwambie neno hili.
The vessel broke.
Udongo ulivunjwa.
The vessel, chombo.
Chombo kilivunjwa.
But there is a part of the vessel.
Lakini kuna sehemu ya chombo
that never broke.
ambayo haikuvunjwa.
Oh. Let me tell you. If this was the vessel,
kama hii ndio ilikuwa chombo
in the hands of the potter,
katika mikono ya mfinyanzi,
while the potter was working on the vessel,
wakati mfinyanzi alikuwa anaihudumia hiki chombo,
the vessel broke.
Chombo kikavunjika.
But there is something that never broke.
Lakini kuna kile kitu ambacho hakikuvunjika.
The clay part,
sehemu ya udongo
of the vessel,
ya ile
the clay part of the vessel,
sehemu udongo
ya chombo, the vessel, the clay part of the vessel,
udongo wa kile chombo
never broke.
haukuvunjwa.
When you see this,
unaona hivi,
you might think it is breaking.
unaweza fikiria kinavunjika.
But the part of the cement,
Lakini sehemu tu ya simiti
it is not breaking.
haivunjiki.
Even after breaking,
Lakini hata baada ya kuvunjika
this is cement still.
bado ni simiti.
There is a part of you.
Sehemu ya utu huo.
There is a part of you
Kuna sehemu ya
after breaking
baada ya kuvunjika
that will never be broken.
na haitavunjika.
It is you now.
Huu sasa ni
It
wewe.
is the original
Ni
you.
wewe sasa
It is the original you. After everything has went bad, after money, land, houses, children, wife and husband, all those nonsense has left you. There is a part of you that will never broke. It is you to understand, to recognize which part of me has not broken. So let me tell you, the potter broke the vessel, but the clay part of the vessel never broke. So this is what the potter did. He took the clay part of the vessel and he made another vessel. So if it was the cup that broke, the potter decided to make a plate maybe. So if you see the plate, you think the cup was lost. You think the cup was lost. Ilipotea. When you see the plate,